Good afternoon, Lower School, and welcome to our virtual assembly. Growing together, reaching higher. To our amazing students, family and staff, everyone at Art Bolton miss you very much. And although you're not in school right now, we are thinking about you all. Stay happy, stay safe. Team Bolton. The 10th virtual assembly, a time to reflect, set out our goals for the week and to take time together. Still a few notices this week, just to remind you to get your work in. The art challenge is ongoing. I'll give you the next slide with the Learn to Fly. Online engagement is going to be the theme of this week's assembly, as well as the ARC Sports Day challenge, and I'll give you more detail on these in this assembly. Thank you once again to Miss Allen for sending us this wonderful recipe, chicken stir fry this week. Have a go. If you do have a go, send a picture of it at info@artbolton.org and you may even win the Amazon voucher. So here it is. What an amazing opportunity. I literally got an email just as I was finishing up this assembly, and I desperately wanted to put it in there. There's a chance for you to learn how to fly. Fantasy Wings are offering for 3 people to actually learn how to fly and get their private pilot's license. They're also offering another 50 students a chance to have a trial flying lesson. Now, all of this is funded, there's no cost to you. If you are interested though, you must get your parents to register at www.fantasywings.co.uk. I've put in a telephone number on this slide as well to help you out. If you really want to learn how to fly, this is an amazing opportunity. If you're interested in aviation, put your name forward. I had the chance to go up in a glider and it was superb. But this, to actually get your pilot's license, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity that's been offered. So do take it up. Do get on, do log on and put your names forward. Can't make a promise that you'll get it, but it's worth the try. So contacting school is still really important. You can email us at info@artbolton.org. Telephone number is 0121 773 8156. You can also go on our school website at any time and keep up to date with the news. If you have any worries, concerns, things that you're not so sure about, then keep using the SHARP system. Remember to put your name and year group. It will really help us to support you as best we can. So if you're really proud of any work that you've done, whether you've been doing artwork or your English or maths, it doesn't matter. You can take a picture of it and send it in to us at info@artbolton.org. Don't forget there's also an art competition as well, so if you're really a good artist then you can send that work in. I really would love to see it and to pass it on to your teachers so that you get the chance to win £10 Amazon gift card.
Good morning, Lower School. I wanted to get an opportunity to talk to you today about working from home. The last 3 weeks of school are a vital stepping stone for you as you move from your current year up to the next one in your Art Bolton journey. I know that so many of you have been working hard on Seneca and have been talking to your tutors about the work that you've been doing at home. To become the best version of yourself, you sometimes are asked to dig deep and demonstrate resilience, and that's exactly what I need you to do in these past few weeks. Now the lockdown restrictions have been relaxed and I've started to plan my next mountaineering expedition to Scotland. When I get to the feet of mountains I often look up and think that's impossible. I can't do that. Often people have started the climb before me and are well on their way to the summit. I'm too far behind, I'll never catch up. But I know that every journey starts with the first step. And that with hard work and resilience, I will catch them up and meet them at the top. This is the same for us. If we haven't been engaged and we feel it's too late to start online, no, not so. Start now. tutor this week asked for their help to plan out a weekly timetable. You see, you would have had 6 hours a day in class if you'd have been in school. Plan a suitable daily pattern that works for you and your family and begin your climb. This won't be easy. You'll be distracted by your phone, by games consoles, or even your family. But I want you to feel empowered to make the changes during the last 3 weeks and get into a working pattern that will put you in a great position as you move up to the next year on your journey to college, university, or a career of your choice. It all starts with just one step at a time. Your teachers are here to help you. We're all looking forward to meeting you at the top and helping you to transition into next year. I can't wait to see you all as you move up. Good luck. Work hard in the last 3 weeks.
So here's a real challenge for us all. Collectively, Ark Bolton Academy has been asked to travel 1,000 kilometres. So this was the distance that Matthew Bolton travelled for business to up and down to Scotland. So he was able to do this. You can join in on this. And what I want you to do is log on to the school website, and there you'll see this picture with a link to it where you can sign up. You can put absolutely anything down that you do that covers any distance. I got an app on my phone now that tracks me when I go for my walks, and that really logs for me how far I've travelled, and you can do the same. So it doesn't matter if you're walking, cycling, and in fact yesterday I even went kayaking. You can add in anything to increase our distance. So far, about 40 teachers have signed up for this, and I really would love to get as many students as possible to come on board and join us. So once more, where do you find the information? Go on to the school website, www.arkbolton.org. Have a look for this picture there, and you'll see it on the front page, and log in and track. Now, when it asks you for your team captain, put down your form tutor. Where it asks you for the team, let's just say lower school. Because I know that if we all put our lower school distances together, we can really crack more than 1,000 kilometres. I'm up to 40 kilometres so far, and I'm really proud of myself. However, I must admit I've got 1 or 2 blisters. But I think it's worth it just to do this challenge. The best of luck, join in, and let's see how far we can travel. Top online workers this week. Have a look at all these names. Are you down there? What you will notice actually on 3 of them for English, Science and Humanities is that Sidra Causa is down quite a lot on there, and in particular we're really pleased with the work that she'd done in history. So well done to you. Your name is mentioned more than anybody else's this week. So this week we've got a few nominations. Now I have been putting quite a bit of artwork up, but this time we've decided to go down the writing challenge. So as I mentioned, Sidra Causa's history work here, and she put together a Tudor work booklet. And Miss Gordon in particular sent this forward, and I think she did some fantastic work. So keep up the hard work there. Mariam Khan's story about robots was very good indeed, and I really enjoyed that. Rayhan, your work I thought was fantastic. And we also had somebody who put nearly 3 hours worth in MFL. So Amina Zara, yeah, there, you did fantastic amount of work. However, I had to choose one. And so what I've done is I thought carefully about the thing that impacted on me most. Aisha in year 9 wrote and sent a couple of writing challenges in. But the one that I've put in the middle here really hit me the most. And it was talking about being brave, which was one of the challenges that was set out by Miss Andrews. This is really short, but to the point, and touched me in my heart and made me think, wow, what a wonderful reference. So Aisha, well done to you. You win this week's Amazon gift card, £10 to spend on whatever you want to. So I'll be in touch, and I'll be emailing you and phoning you to give you that code. Well done to everyone this week.